Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to know if someone saved your number on WhatsApp. So first, open WhatsApp, then tap the chats. This tab is at the top of the screen or at the below. Then tap the three dots. This button is in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Then, tap New Broadcast. It's in the drop-down menu. A list of your contacts will appear. Then, select at least one contact whom you know has your phone number. You'll need at least one person whom you know has your number in your broadcast. But I will click on the 5 contacts of mine. Then, select the contact you want to check. This should be the contact who you want to check to see if they have your number. After that, tap check. It's on a green background in the lower corner of the screen. This will create your broadcast group and open its chat page. And send a message to the group. Tap the text box at the bottom of the screen. Type in a brief message. Example, I will type on test and tap the send arrow to the right of the text field. Your message will be sent to the group. And wait a reasonable amount of time. This will depend on the time of a day at which you sent your message, but it's normally best to wait for an hour or two before proceeding, as doing so will give all broadcast list participants who are in your contact a chance to view the message. And open the information menu for the message that you sent. Long press the message until a menu appears at the top of the screen. Then tap at the top of the screen. Now check the read heading. Anyone who is able to read your message has your number in their contacts. So you should see the name of the contact whom you know has your phone number here. If you see the name of the person whom you wanted to check here, they have your phone number. Keep in mind that a contact who has your phone number but rarely uses WhatsApp will not show up in the read section until the next time they use WhatsApp. And last, check the delivered heading. Anyone who doesn't have your phone number in their contacts won't receive the broadcast message as a chat. So, their name will only show up below the delivered to heading. If you see the name of the contact whom you wanted to check here, they most likely don't have your phone number. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.